Was that the last meaningful possession? That's what matters now. What can West Middlesex do with 34 seconds to go? They have led all but 34 seconds of this game. And now Coudersport with a touchdown, a 2-point conversion lead, 8-6. To borrow a phrase, do you believe in miracles? All right, Hoffman back to pass, loads up, right side pass going to be caught by Josh Brown. They're going to have to hurry and try to spike. The clock is down to 5 seconds. It stops momentarily to move the chains. And will they spike it here with 5 seconds? Hoffman has his team set. They move the chains as soon as they whistle it ready. They'll run the clock, and Hoffman will spike the ball with 4 seconds to go. They're at the 35. Is it even possible to kick a field goal from this far away?
I don't think so. So you're looking at Hail Mary chance here. The ball at the 34-yard line of Coudersport. They never say die Big Reds with one last giant attempt here to try to pull off the miracle. And the ball at the 34, there's no timeouts remaining. They're going to have to throw it into the end zone, and they got big Tyler Barris, big Steve Andruski from Chachi Rupa, from big receivers to throw it to.
They're all lining up in a bunch to the right side. Back to passes Hoffman, being blitzed, breaks the tackle. Hoffman fires the ball into the end zone, and the pass is caught! He caught it for a touchdown! He caught it for a touchdown! Tyler Barris catches a Hail Mary, and the Big Reds pull the miracle! Oh my goodness! Tyler Barris catches a tipped ball in the end zone for a touchdown! Unbelievable!
And this game is over. And you ask the question, do you believe in miracles?